In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure sales performance in Attio. To do this in Attio, the basic idea is to build a sales pipeline, track how deals move through each stage, and then create a report that helps you measure performance over time. We'll start from the Attio homepage, where you can create a new list for your pipeline. Click the plus icon to create a list, then choose the option to start from scratch. When Attio asks which object you want to use, select Deals. This is important because deals are the records you'll use to track sales progress, revenue potential, and outcomes like won or lost opportunities. Next, rename the list. In this example, call it Sales Pipeline, then click Create List. Once the list is ready, choose the Kanban view. Kanban is especially useful for sales tracking because it lets you visualize deals as cards moving across columns, with each column representing a stage in your process. Now give the view a title, then create a new status attribute and confirm it. This status field will define the pipeline stages your deals move through. After that, add your stages one by one. Lead, qualified, demo scheduled, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. These stages reflect a typical sales journey, from first contact all the way to the final outcome. Setting this up clearly makes it much easier to evaluate conversion and identify where deals tend to slow down. Once your stages are in place, add a deal, enter the record, and fill in the details for that deal. In this example, set the deal to the won stage. Adding at least one sample deal helps give your reports data to work with and shows how performance can be measured based on actual pipeline movement and deal value. When that's done, go to Reports and click New Dashboard. Rename your dashboard so it's easy to recognize later. Inside the dashboard, create a report by clicking New Report. For this example, choose Historical Values. This report type is useful because it helps you look at changes over time instead of only showing a single snapshot. Then choose Deals as the data source, since that's what you're using to measure sales performance. Rename the new report, and for the metric, select Deal Value. This allows you to track the value of your deals and use that as a performance indicator. Finally, click Save. And that's the full process. Create a deals list, organize it in a Kanban sales pipeline, define your stages, add deal records, and then build a dashboard report using historical values and deal value as the metric. That's how to measure sales performance in Attio. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.